Wheeze, give me one. Wheeze, give me one. Bomb it. Oh shoot, my bad. Nice catch. Oh, I almost snatched that. Get it. Here, Wheeze. Pass it right. Let me pass it right back. Go for a layup. Layup. All right, here. I'm gonna do a give and go. Right back.
That was pretty good, huh?
Hey! Come on, somebody join in. Hey!
At Wegmans?
Yeah, $1 bucket shucks.
Yeah.
Bucket shucks.
Stand there eating them in the food court.
No, they have a pub.
You have a pub.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, it's a nice bar.
Yeah.
Cool.
They got televisions, they got radios, newspapers.
Oh, that's great.
I know. And oysters. The smoke and the spit.
It's always,
Wheeze has the good smoke and spit combo.
yeah, you always gotta spit after you take a drag. Let's see if he does this one.
Let's see.
Smoke,
Smoke.
exhale, and wait for it. Spit.
There it is.
Like clockwork.
This is kitchen drinking.
Whiskey in the jarro.
Look at this bar.
Where do you get those little bottles of tequila?
You gotta take some of that.
Where do I get a 200 milliliter bottle of tequila?
Jason, just actually drink it. It'll be better.
Okay.
Yes.
I want to see Wheeze.
You need singles.
No.
Cheese it.
It's cheesing. Totally cheesing, bro.
It's a handful of plates. Say congrats, Wheeze.
Congrats, Wheeze.
Say congrats, Wheeze.
Yeah.
Congrats,
Wheeze.
Wheeze. That's a wrap.
Yes.
Right.
Until next time.
Congrats, Wheeze.
Thank you.